I bet that took you a bit of time to do, which is good because I like it when we take things. How does yours look? Does it look similar to mine or does it look pretty different? Have some of your pieces fallen off? You can see it over here. One of mine fell off, so I've had to go back and glue it on. One of my newspaper bits. That's okay. That's all part of the fun of it. So what can we do with all our strips of paper? You need to create 6 maths questions to research. So just don't create the questions. You've got to do it as well. Here are some examples now. I'm going to let you know this, guys. You can use any of mine if you want. So the first one I want to know is, well, what is the length of one strip of paper? And then, what is the length of all the strips of paper put together? And I found out that one strip was 30 centimetres. So I got my calculator out and I multiplied it by 17 because I had 17 strips. And that's 510 centimetres if I made them end to end. You might even do that and take a picture of all yours. Now, here I said the word take a picture. That's what I want you to do. Upload your pictures. Next, I thought, well, fractions. We did fractions last week. What fraction of each strip is yellow? And I worked out, that, I'm going to put it, it's going to be a bit messy here. I had 1, 2, 3 are yellow. We can see that 1, 2, 3, and there are 12 altogether. Oops, look what it's doing. Go here, and there are 12 little squares or rectangles altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can reduce that, and that would also be 1 of every 4 each line. That's a really good way to say it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Could I make a circle? Now, to make the circle is really easy to do. I just didn't put them randomly. First thing I did was now I have the lines there, is I put a line here, and then I did a line at the bottom. I cut it in half, and then I cut it into quarters. I then broke each quarter in half, which means I've got eighths. I was really thinking mathematically. I just didn't put them randomly because the mathematicians think about things. We solve problems. So now I broke each, this is 8, so we've got 8 pieces here. I might even change my colour here. I'll go for yellow. I broke each one in half again. Now I wonder if you can work out what fraction this is. Well, hey, I've got more fraction stuff. I can say that I'm breaking mine into 16ths. Now I didn't use all of mine. I had one left over, so I just put that to the side. They're 16ths, aren't they? Oh, that's pretty cool, my circle. I like it. The next thing, oops, sorry about that. Can I use all the strips of paper to make my name? And I could. There's my name, Paul. Now, they're just some things you can do. I wonder what else you can do. I want you to have fun doing this. This is a take your time activity. Yeah, you're going to make a little bit of a mess, but that's okay, because if we were in class, we'd be doing exactly the same thing, having a bit of a mess, having a bit of fun, because this is our last maths activity for the week. I hope you enjoyed this. I really, really enjoyed making this task.